Good morning everyone, and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. My name is Miss Carla Thomas. I'm a trained chef. I just wanted to share with everyone, for everyone who's been watching the videos and subscribed to the channel. I want to thank everyone who has taken the time to do so. Also as well, I wanted to reach out to people who wants to see new recipe ideas. They can reach out in the comment section. As you know, mindful eating is specifically designed for those who want to eat healthy and want to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. For myself, I just wanted to find out what other recipes people would like to see. Today, I've managed to start with making some kidney bean burgers. This is 1 tin of your cooked kidney beans, and I've managed to put in here a half a cup of diced onions. Here we have a selection of seasonings here. You've got some all-purpose seasoning. We've got some garlic granules. You can use fresh as well. And you've got some ground turmeric just here. And roughly with these ingredients, it's just like half a teaspoon. So for myself, I normally average, this is like half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. As we know, turmeric is very good for us. We've got some garlic granules as well, half a teaspoon of that, and all-purpose seasoning. And then we're going to add roughly, I'm going to put it in the container that I've got here, which I had the onions in, roughly a half a cup of oats, We're just going to add it to the mixture here, and then we're going to basically use our hands to mix it through very quickly, as you can see here, and it should come into roughly a paste like this. Now you can add salt, more salt if you want. It depends on your taste buds. Add a bit more salt. I've added roughly about 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to mix like this with our hands here. Now as you can see, the mixture is already coming together. It's coming into a ball like so. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook these. I'm going to basically put it on a grease-proof paper and bake it in the oven, and we're going to see the final product. So we're just going to quickly, I'll just shape one for you. It depends on how big or how small you want it, and you can lightly grease it as well. This is what it looks like. Doesn't this look lovely? As you can see, the oats, everything, wonderful size. I think from this mixture you'll probably get maybe about 3 to 4 small burgers. As you can see just here. And I'm going to place them on a greased baking sheet. I'm going to continue with the rest of the mixture. You can see here like so. And then there's another one as well. And just quickly flatten it. And it really depends on you how big you want them. And then I'm going to put them in the oven. I'll show you what they look like. There you go. And then I'm going to flatten them, grease them, and place them in the oven. They'll be also cooked with these wonderful sweet potato chips. It's a plant-based menu today. Sweet potato chips with a little bit of seasonings if you'd like, salt, pepper, and they're going to be baked in the oven for roughly maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how quickly it cooks. I would say roughly, let's say 30 minutes for the 20 to 20 minutes for the sweet potato wedges, and then obviously for the kidney bean burgers, this might take roughly between maybe 10 to 20 minutes. and I'll show you the finished product once it's all cooked. Okay, welcome back to the video. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you one of the burgers that I did here. As you can see, it's held very nicely in the whilst it was baking, and I've managed to start assembling the burger already. So we've got some mayonnaise here. Obviously it's dairy, but you can use dairy-free mayonnaise as well. That option is available in supermarkets, as you know. And we're just going to spread the mayonnaise on there. It's a very simple burger, and you can add whether you want to add onions, other salad toppings, and we're just going to basically top it over like that. This is a very simple burger. It's nothing too complicated. As you can see here, it's a very simple burger recipe. I hope this recipe has encouraged someone today to try, a plant-based diet. As we know, eating healthy is very important at the minute, and for most people, because of